everybody, it's Amber HD.
Hey, today we're looking at the Mongoose Stat 4.1. It's a 29er. It's 29-inch wheels. This model has disc brakes. They were selling them at Walmart. I think they were about $230. I got these at auction. I guess they were overstocked because they were making room for the next model, the 4.2 model. So anyway, just a quick walk around. I had a whole bunch of them down in my last one. They all sold out pretty quick. Nice SRAM grip shifts. Just your basic mechanical disc brakes. Nothing great, but you could always upgrade them. Alright, and that's it. Just a quick walk around. This is the Mongoose Stat 4.1 model.
Bye everybody.
Some old chairs.
Yeah, we stocked them. Dad, nailed gun them, and
Alright, thanks for watching.
bye.